Hey guys! Once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are diving into the thrilling world of online opportunities where the only thing you need is a strong Wi-Fi signal and a burning desire to earn money from the comfort of your home. Yeah, you heard it right. Today we are here to unveil the 9 effective ways to earn money online in 2023. Let's dive in. Before getting on to the topic, let me tell you that whatever we are going to earn through this video, we will donate 9% of it to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel. Guys, just once, think of a life in which your office is wherever you want it to be. Sipping coffee at your favorite cafe, lazing on a tropical beach, or even snuggling up in your pajamas on a rainy day. And you know, this could be possible because the internet has opened the door to a whole new world of earning potential, and the possibilities are limitless. Guys, now gone are the days of regular 9-to-5 jobs and lengthy rides to work. It's time to break free from the bounds of traditional jobs and enjoy the freedom and flexibility that earning money online offers. So guys, are you ready to take control of your own digital destiny? If yes, then get ready to unleash your inner digital entrepreneur and let the virtual cash flow begin. That's right, we are going to explore some fantastic opportunities that can help you make money right from the comfort of your own home. From freelancing to dropshipping, from content creation to online trading, we have curated a list of the top 9 tried and true methods that are shaking up the online earning landscape in 2023. So grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss on any of these steps. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. So without further ado, let's dive into the first method that could turn your laptop into a cash-generating machine. Number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a fantastic way to monetize your skills. Whether you're a talented writer, graphic designer, or programmer, there are countless platforms like Upwork and Fiverr that connect freelancers with clients looking for their expertise. The key to success in freelancing is to showcase your portfolio and provide excellent customer service. You can do content writing and other several freelancing work with the help of AI. We have made a separate video on how to make money with the help of AI. The link is in the description. Number 2. Online tutoring. If you have a passion for teaching, online tutoring can be a lucrative option. Platforms like VipKid and Teachable allow you to teach English on any other subject to students from around the world. You can set your own schedule and work from the comfort of your own home. Remember, knowledge is power and sharing it can be rewarding in more ways than one. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Have you ever recommended a product or service to a friend? Well, with affiliate marketing, you can earn commissions by promoting products you genuinely believe in. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank offer affiliate programs that allow you to earn a percentage of each sale generated through your unique affiliate link. It's like being a digital salesperson. We have also created a separate video on the psychological hacks of affiliate marketing. You can also find this link in the description. Number 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you set up an online store and sell products without having to handle inventory or shipping. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to start your own dropshipping business. You just need to find reliable suppliers, market your products, and let the orders roll in. It's a great way to dip your toes into the world of entrepreneurship. Number 5. Content creation. If you're passionate about a specific topic, consider creating content around it, whether it's through YouTube, blogging, or podcasting. You can build an audience and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. The key here is consistency and providing value to your audience. Find your niche, create engaging content, and watch your online presence grow. If you have ever thought of starting a YouTube channel or creating an automated YouTube channel, then you can tap on this banner or find the link in the description of How to YouTube Automation video series. Number 6. Online surveys and microtasks. Did you know that you can get paid for sharing your opinions? Websites like Swagbucks and Amazon Mechanical Turk offer online surveys and microtasks that pay you for completing simple tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, or transcribing audio. While this method may not make you rich overnight, it's an easy way to earn some extra cash during your downtime. Number 7. Online trading. Online trading has gained popularity in recent years, and if done right, it can be a profitable venture. Platforms like Robinhood and E-Trade offer user-friendly interfaces for buying and understanding stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other assets. However, it's important to educate yourself and understand the risks involved before diving into the world of online trading. If you're willing to start or thinking to invest in cryptocurrencies and not sure of what it is or how to invest, then you are at the right channel. We have also shared a guide to understanding cryptocurrencies in a separate video. Number 8. Digital products and courses. Are you an expert in a particular field? Consider creating and selling digital products or courses, whether it's an ebook, a video course, or a membership site. People are willing to pay for valuable information. Websites like Udemy and Teachable provide a platform to host and sell your digital products or courses. Share your knowledge and expertise while earning passive income. Remember to deliver high-quality content that truly helps your customers. Number 9. Social media management. Last but not least, social media management is a booming field that offers great opportunities to earn money online. Many businesses and individuals are seeking help to manage their social media accounts and create engaging content. If you have a knack for social media, you can offer your services as a social media manager. Showcase your creativity, understanding of different platforms, and ability to grow an online presence. So there you have it, 9 effective ways to earn money online in 2023. Whether you choose any of the ways, do remember that success requires dedication, hard work, and continuous learning. If you're a book reader, then do read the 3 books mentioned in the description for more enlightenment on the following topic. Before we wrap up, we'd love to hear from you. Which method are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. That's all for today's video. We hope you found these tips valuable and that they inspire you to take action and start earning money online. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep earning. Disclaimer: earning money online requires effort, time, and commitment. Results may vary for individuals, and it's important to do thorough research and exercise caution before engaging in any online money-making activity.